All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol RKT, Rocket Companies Inc. And before we get started on this chart, I do want to state some things. And the first thing is I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. I hope you guys find this video helpful and informative. And to all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your support and recognition to my efforts. I really appreciate it and your feedback, as well as when you guys give valid information to each other when somebody has a question or just piggybacking off of what I state. I really encourage that and appreciate that from you all. It means a lot, and it just speaks in volumes of the community that we have here. We're here to learn, grow together, and maximize profits and minimize losses. So let's zoom out here and see this. This had a beginning run, it dipped, and from this dip, it's just been rising. And here we are today. It broke through resistance and it's keeping itself above the 50-day moving average. That's really, really good for the bulls and for the bullish run to continue. But the resistance level is fairly close to the closing price. And the support is not too far away from the 50-day moving average. So let's go ahead and move these to their new locations, and we're going to see what is important here. So the first thing I want to state is this is the highest point that this stock has reached since. And this company is right now hitting new highs. So the new resistance level needs to get crossed for this to continue. So I'm going to start off with the 50-day moving average. So the 50-day moving average is 2702. For the bulls to continue to have control, they need to stay above 2702. And another significant thing is if this kind of hangs out here in a sideways direction, well, guess what? This is going to slightly start to creep up and catch up to the price, and it doesn't stop catching up to anybody. And if this just kind of doesn't break resistance, guess what? It's going to end up in bearish territory again below the 50-day moving average. This is just hypothetically speaking and showing you how this works, but in a most simple form, as this moves, this continues to move. If this stays still, this still moves every day because this is an average of the last 50 days, and it's calculated based off of the days that have been open now, but they do an average anyways. So this needs to continue to move upwards so this doesn't catch up to it, and that's the 50-day moving average. Now, the 50-day moving average is 2702. I'd write that down. Now, for the bulls to continue their run, they need to break through 3017, 3017. They need to break through it, turn it into a support, and they can work their way up to break through newer resistance levels. That is significant because these are new highs, unseen on this stock yet. So it's going to create newer highs, and the bulls need to keep on pushing and loading up on stocks. Now, on the other hand, is the support. If this support gets broken through, which is 2791, the bears are gaining control. And the reason why that is significant is because the 50-day moving average might catch up a little bit throughout the day. And as that dip comes, this might fall a little bit. But when you look at it, it rose a little bit from here to here. And the window between the 50-day moving average, hypothetically speaking, if this was to create itself a situation like this, is a lot smaller from the support to the 50-day moving average. And that is significant because that makes it easier for the bears to get into bearish territory and bring this to newer lows. So if 2791 does get crossed, I keep a very close eye on how it reacts in between this area, because this is an area of uncertainty where either the bulls can reappear and load up on stocks and bring this up to recovery, or the bears will continue to make this one plummet, tear it down, and get themselves into bearish territory to start to gain leverage and control over this. So keep that in mind. Resistance level is 3017. Support is 27.91 and 50-day moving average is 27.02. With those points of reference, you guys can go ahead and make your own rational decisions and be well equipped for tomorrow's trading day. We'll have to keep a close eye on this one to see how it reacts. Thank you guys so much for watching, and all of you guys that learned something new and feel inclined and are first time viewers to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, but don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss a single video. And to all my subscribers, thank you again for your support. Don't forget to hit the like button. For those of you that have watched this video, that's your best way of letting me know you watched this video. And anybody that wants to comment down below and piggyback off of what I state, I encourage you guys to comment down below and engage in conversation. Anything that you guys want to share with us in regards to ticker symbol RKT. Thank you guys for watching, and let's make some money.